Good morning, bulls. Hope you're all doing well. It is Sunday. There is Gucci. Bitcoin has remained very strong, pretty much flatlining, as you can see, for the last week. Currently sitting at $103,094, which is pretty incredible when you think about it. It hasn't been that volatile all week, pretty much steady. Big things are coming with institutional capital, and I would like you guys to watch this interview with Matt HOUGAN. He's predicting Bitcoin to hit 200,000 US dollars by the end of the year. Fascinating interview. Have a listen to it.
Our prediction is that Bitcoin's going to get over $200,000 by the end of the year. What's happening right now is you have a huge amount of good news in Bitcoin. You have a U.S. strategic reserve where the government now owns Bitcoin. You have improvements on the regulatory front. You have institutional adoption. You may be wondering, why aren't prices higher? The reason is we've had a bunch of economic uncertainty that's caused not just Bitcoin, but all risky assets to fall. Stocks are down substantially. So the market has dipped, but I think over time, as that economic volatility subsides, you're going to see all that good news catch up to Bitcoin, and it's going to propel it to new all-time highs and indeed above $200,000 for the year.
What do we have to see? Like, is there a sign that we have to see for all that to happen?
Yeah, there are two things to keep your eye on. So one, Bitcoin's price is set by supply and demand, and we all know the supply, right? There'll only be 21 million. We only make 165,000 new ones a year. So you have to watch the demand. The three things to watch are ETFs gaining inflows, or corporations like MicroStrategy and MetaPlanet continuing to buy Bitcoin, and our government's buying Bitcoin. If those three things happen, I think the $200,000 target is a lock. So I would keep your eye on that. It would help if the economy improves, if we don't enter a recession, that would help. But it's really about, does the demand materialize in the way I think it will? Every sign that I see suggests that ETFs are buying, corporations are buying, and governments are buying. That's why I'm so bullish, but they have to keep buying in order for us to get to that $200,000 target.
You said they keep on buying. At what scale are we talking?
Yeah, so last year ETFs bought 500,000 Bitcoin. Again, remember, the Bitcoin network only produced 165,000 Bitcoin. So it bought 3 times the total supply. Corporations bought 250,000 Bitcoin. Governments, I think this year could buy a couple 100,000 Bitcoin.
This is just the beginning. It's very exciting. Stay tuned for EarnCurve as well. Working hard on that. If you haven't gone to sign up, earncurveinvest.com, guys. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Peace out, bulls.